Hello, I'm Shelley. It's a security light, an LED security light with motion operation. Not only does it have a camera, LED light, Wi-Fi, it has an audio device. The audio device allows you to be able to have direct communication with whoever is outside. Could be the kids, but it might not be. It could be somebody you don't want to be there. This will pick up the sound, the voice, you can talk, you can hear, and you don't even have to be in the same town or in the same area. You can be around the world. It makes no difference because you've got Wi-Fi. All you need is a mobile device. iPhone, Android, doesn't matter. They all work as long as it will hook up to your Wi-Fi. And your phone, you're totally connected all the time. It's got an alarm built in. The alarm can be set. It's got dimming function. It has sensitivity function. Totally remote from your iPhone. You can change the settings on there because it has a dual bright setting. What's that mean? Setting will allow the light to come on, very good light, ambient light, more than enough light, and it has a built-in automatic sensor, so when anybody gets in the way of that light, of this light, it will go to full beam, 1,530 lumens. A few seconds later, or you can adjust it, goes back to the regular light. You can turn it, you can aim the camera to where you want. It's got a motion sensor down in here, and it has a quick connect. Very easy to install, probably takes 2 to 3 minutes. If you look at the back of the box, there's an awful lot of information that we're providing. Easy though to download the app because all you do is scan it. If it's a Mac, right from the App Store. If it's Google, Android, right from the Google Store. There's a lot of other information. We encourage you to read it. It's important. But since you've already bought it, now let's talk about what's inside. We're going to open up and see what Santa got us this year early. Got to open this baby up. Be careful when you open it because you don't want what I'm going to show you to fall out. Before I say anything else, make sure you don't throw this box away. It's important to keep it. And the instructions. You never know when you have to refer to it again. We're going to give you a couple of brochures here. One of these talks about some of the other products in the LUTEC line. The other one is the manual for installing the item, the camera light. The app that I'm going to show you how to download has all the instructions to operate the functions of the light, of the product. But right now, this will get you going. It'll get the light up. Then, I simply remove the top. Right here, it's well protected. This is all foam protection. Look at that. That is really cool. I'm going to open it up. First thing right here. These are all the screws, nuts, hardware you need to hang the light. Don't lose it. And then, all right, make sure you don't lose your screws, your hardware, the instructions right here. Keep them here. We're going to need them in a minute. And the light. Now, when you look at the light the first time, it's pretty cool. But we don't want you to get too confused because it's really easy to install. Very easy. This is the quick connect. This is the main light. This light turns and swivels completely around, turns this way, goes down this way, and what's cool is wherever you turn the light, the camera goes right with it. You never lose any light, whichever direction you want to turn it. Full coverage. All right, the next step, once you've taken the light out, is to install it. Once we install it, then I'm going to explain how to download the app. All right, we're ready to take the next step. Got to find a location to hang the fixture. Once you've determined where your wire connection is, try to have at least 2.5 meter height, you're ready to hang the light. But before we do that, we first have to make sure we have a good Wi-Fi signal. So, get your phone, iPhone, Google phone, Android, doesn't matter. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is hooked up and that you have a strong connection. Once we get the fixture up and once we download the app, we're going to show you how to test to make sure that you have enough of a connection. So what we're going to do now, once you've got your Wi-Fi, is download the app. You've got to go to your app store, whether it's Apple or Google, and download the app, which is called Secury'LIGHT. Or if you go to your carton on the box, you can scan it and it will automatically download the app for you. Once the app is downloaded, you want to open it up and test the Wi-Fi speed. It's not difficult, pretty self-explanatory once you open the app, and you want to make sure you have at least 2 MPS. Most are going to have 4, 5, or more, which is perfect. If you only have 2, you have to go to your router, your Wi-Fi, and you're going to have to move it until you get a higher connection speed in the area where you're operating the fixture. Otherwise, it's not going to work very well. It will work, but it will be buffering most of the time. All right, let's take the final step in the installation process. We've already got the back plate up, connected, wired. All we're going to do, snap it in. Pretty easy. Make sure you don't forget to screw the bottom. Done. I'm back again. Now the real fun part. We're going to have to figure out, I'm going to learn right along with you, how to control the security light with your Wi-Fi through your application. Well, I'm just going to tell you one more time how to do the Wi-Fi. Let's make sure we're connected. Open up your phone, go to your Wi-Fi, choose the one that is, in this case, it's Office, right here. I've chosen it. Once you've done that, close it, and now open up your app. Of course, you've already downloaded it before. So, first thing is we have to add this fixture to the app. This is only one fixture. You can add as many as you want, but we'll start with the first one. Right here it says Add Camera. When you add the camera, you're going to want to put in that password. You're going to see right here the word Office. That's the right Wi-Fi channel, network. We're on it. You got to put in your password. If you don't remember it, or if it's not your name, you have to make sure it's the same password that's on your router. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do it right here. All right, confirm. It'll say hold please. Connecting, please wait. You're going to hear connecting. So far so good. Down in your phone app, you're going to see it shows the router. We connected, successful. If you have any trouble with that, go back, make sure that you've got the same password that you're used on your router. If for any reason you don't know what that is, on the back of your router, it will show you the correct password. That's what you have to use. Okay, once we've connected, the next step, let's learn how to use the app. All right, little troubleshooting. Shouldn't take but a second here to explain to you how to reset the fixture. You're only going to need to do this if you change your router and you change your password, or you forget your password, or you can't figure out why something is not working. For whatever the reason is, this is a quick way to solve the problem. Take the reset pin, came with your in your box, put it in this hole. You're going to want to press it for about 8 seconds. Don't turn it off. Don't turn the power off. There we go. You're going to hear a signal. Now you wait about a minute more, you're going to hear another signal, and then you know your light's been reset. Or there's a red flashing light. You probably see it at night easier than during the day, but that's your second signal that it's been reset properly. Should go on here any second.
Wait to be configured.
All right. When you hear that voice say, wait to be configured, you're done.